Welcome to one of the most historical day-use parks in south central Washington, at Fort Simcoe, situated on the Yakama Indian Reservation in the foothills of the Cascade Mountains. This former 1800s-era military installation is the place to visit if you're into history and exceptional year-round birdwatching. Explore the old oak groves and natural springs while imagining what life was like back hundreds of years ago. You can also enjoy watching the wildlife migration of black bears, elk, cougars, and wild horses. For birdwatchers, the Lewises Woodpecker makes its home here amidst the old growth. In fact, this remarkable park boasts the largest gathering areas in the Northwest for this unique woodpecker. Unlike other American woodpeckers, the Lewises Woodpecker spends the majority of its time catching flies midair. The best viewing areas to see these woodpeckers in action are near the officer's house and the picnic areas. Hiking and picnicking at Fort Simcoe are equally enjoyable. The park provides plenty of picnic tables, along with restrooms, running water, and parking. To make your stay even more entertaining, there are 2 horseshoe pits, a volleyball field, and a large grassy area for baseball, football, softball, and soccer. Unfortunately, there's no individual camping available at this park, but the park does offer a group camp that overlooks the fort and parade ground, with ample space for guests and RVs. The park also features a museum, along with the original buildings from the historical fort, the commander's house, the captain's houses, and a blockhouse. During special days that commemorate the history of Fort Simcoe, visitors may have the opportunity to watch military displays and reenactments, traditional tribal dancing, flag-raising ceremonies, antique car shows, and so much more. For more information, visit online at parks.state.wa.us. Make sure to have your Discover Pass for day visits to state parks.